Good afternoon to you. It's the first day of September, first day meteorological autumn as well. And although today, tomorrow won't be feeling quite autumnal, we should have plenty of sunshine and feel warm by the weekend, though it really will feel pretty autumnal with wet, windy weather affecting more western parts of the country. Feeling even warmer, up to 26 degrees in the southeast. And then for the weekend, low pressure really sets in. It's going to turn wet and windy across western areas. There'll be some blustery heavy showers further north and east.
Hello there, good afternoon. Today is the first day of the meteorological autumn, and it's been quite a mixed picture so far across the capital. A few showers out towards the east, some areas of cloud, but also some bright and some sunny spells, as you can see from our weather watcher pictures here. As we head through this afternoon, there is the increased chance of catching one or two showers.
I'm including feeding the pest problem in our parks, why snacks are not such a good idea, and
it was the first day of meteorological autumn today, and some early birds up getting some beautiful photos. Now, we still have some dry and warm weather ahead, particularly in any sunshine. However, there is some rain on the cards. Things becoming a bit more changeable, a bit more autumnal. Hello, a very good evening to you. So the first day of meteorological autumn, and many were up early getting some great pictures. I love this one with the geese. I think they're geese anyway. It is turning a little bit more unsettled over the next few days. We've got showers at times, rain at times, but also plenty of dry weather on the cards as well. And it's still quite warm if you get any sunshine.
And this summer, we've just heard, is the joint hottest summer since 2018?
Yeah, since 2018 for England. Not quite for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but certainly it's been a summer to remember, hasn't it, Sophie? And I can tell you, despite today being the first day of meteorological autumn, actually we've still had some summer sunshine and some warmth today. And in East Sussex, we saw a high today of 26 degrees. But that is going to change, and has done in the last couple of hours, as we see a few sharp thundery downpours pushing up from the channel. And it looks likely that those showers are going to continue through this evening as well. Some of them heavy and some of them thundery. So in terms of the feel of the weather, we're looking at around 17 to 20 degrees in the north. Still 24 if you've got the sunshine. But on Sunday, again, increasingly wet and windy weather. And as we head out of Sunday into the early half of next week, dare I say it, it may almost feel almost like autumn. Sophie.
Louise, thank you.
Now, it may not come as much of a surprise, but this summer has been officially ruled as England's joint hottest ever since records began. Alex is at the Bournemouth Air Festival for us tonight. Alex, we're coming to the end of a summer of extremes.
We certainly are, and we are going to talk about those extremes in just a second, but it has been pretty extreme in the skies above Bournemouth today. Yes, the Bournemouth Air Festival started and there was lots of action in the skies above. We were treated to a performance by the Red Arrows. That is always a crowd pleaser, and it certainly went down well with everybody that was on the beach earlier today. And of course, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flypast also took to the skies shortly after as well. And again, that went down really well, and the weather also held out, but it's going to be on this weekend. And just to sum it up, I caught up with Major George Smoky Bacon, MBE. Yes, you heard right.
What is extraordinary is the content goes beyond the aviation. There are Royal Marine battles taking place on the beachfront some evenings. We've got people jumping out of airplanes in parachutes at night with glow sticks on, and it's just the most tremendous buy-in.
Well, that really does sum up the event, which is on over the weekend as well. But it is going to be quite unsettled, and that comes as we kind of come to the end of our summer, really. And it has been pretty extreme, as we know. It's been the driest, and these are provisional stats, which will get confirmed next week. But it looks like it's been the driest summer since 1976, and the joint warmest summer on record since records began back in 1884. But this will all get confirmed next week. But I doubt things are likely to change once we see the last couple of days of August take into account. But how is it looking over the weekend? Things are going to be a little unsettled. Well, the weekend isn't that far away, so we'll start with the outlook for that. And it's going to be fairly unsettled with potentially some heavy downpours, which could be on the thundery side, and the winds expected to whip up as we head into Saturday, particularly out towards the northwest. Well, there is a little bit of a lull here at the Bournemouth Air Festival. That's because they're taking a short break. But if you're coming here tonight, there's going to be more action in the skies.
Hello there. The weather's going to be feeling a little bit autumnal this weekend. Low pressure will be taking control. We'll see some wet and windy weather at times, particularly across western areas. Further east, it'll be a mixture of sunny spells and scattered showers, and that theme lasts into the following week as well.
Well, I tell you what, no need for magic wands to conjure up some rain in the forecast. There's some to come, and in fact, as we head into next week, it looks pretty unsettled. That might please some of you. I'm sure it won't please all of you, but just take a look at what happened in Perivale just an hour or so ago. We had some sharp showers. They've been very hit and miss today, and actually it's been quite warm with 26 degrees in East Sussex a little earlier on. But there will be some showers for the garden. The winds will strengthen as well. A bit more of an autumnal flavour to our weather story as we head into next week.